Greetings from Mumbai. I am Dr. Saloni Mistry, Professor and Head at the Department of Prosthodontics, Dr. G.D. Paul Foundation, YMT Dental College, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. And I'm delighted to be a part of the World Implant Expo to be held at Kochi from 26th to 28th November 2023. We all agree that implant dentistry has become the first line strategy globally. And we often know that as clinicians we have faced challenging scenarios like suboptimum bone levels as well as low sinus floors. Conventional protocols are leading to complications, and to combat this, the technology is booming. One such device is the magnetic mallet. So join me at the World Implant Expo for learning this cutting-edge treatment approach. Looking forward to seeing you there for redefining implantology. Thank you.